was supposed to be execution day for a death row inmate, Aaron Gunches.
But a legal battle has taken center stage instead after the governor demanded a review of the entire execution process. Stephanie Bennett joins us live with the latest tonight. Stephanie.
Good evening, guys. Yeah, the court hearing today lasted for about an hour. You heard from both sides, the plaintiffs, who are the attorneys representing the victim's family, whom Gunches killed, and also the defense, attorneys representing Governor Katie Hobbs, and also the new prison director. Now, they went back and forth again for about an hour, and the judge ultimately going back and forth. He was tempted at first just to throw out the case altogether because of a Supreme Court decision that came down yesterday. He was saying, what more can I do? But in the end, he decided to grant more time to hear all the evidence.
I will tell you, part of me says there's nothing I can do here, and there's part of me that says I should just dismiss this case now. But there's also a part of me that says this is a pretty serious matter. It involves a lot of constitutional issues.
Today, a Maricopa County Superior Court judge determining if more time is needed or if an evidentiary hearing is necessary in a dispute over the governor's refusal to carry out the execution of death row inmate Aaron Gunches. Gunches appearing in court via telephone and spoke briefly, saying he wants the execution to happen sooner rather than later.
I want whatever gets my sentence to turn out as fast as possible.
Gunches was sentenced to death for the 2002 murder of Ted Price. His execution date expires at midnight, leaving the judge in a tricky situation.
The claim that they've presented to this court is that there should be an execution, and it's simply moot once the warrant goes away tonight.
The delays stem from Governor Hobbs ordering a review of the state's death penalty protocols. Hobbs vowing not to enforce any death sentences until there's confidence the state can do it without violating the law. Judge Frank Moskowitz scheduled today's hearing after a complaint from the victim's family, who claimed the governor's refusal to act amounts to denial of their constitutional rights as victims.
That the Arizona Supreme Court issued a warrant of execution, and then the next day the governor said, I'm not going to do it. It's not going to happen. And then, of course, our contention is that in doing so, violates the law.
It's unclear right now whether, if and when a new execution date will be set. For now, the next court hearing will be coming in June. Reporting live tonight, Stephanie Bennett, Fox 10 News.